Low to no waste is easier on your wallet. You might find that things cost a little more upfront, but in the long run you will save much more money purchasing things that get multiple to infinite uses rather than buying disposables. You'll also save yourself a lot of time. There is also so much beauty in things that are of good quality. They are better made and usually better for you. So here are some ways to keep your kitchen waste down and at the same time increase the beauty in your home. Cloth napkins. Yes, you have to wash them, but there is nothing like cloth napkins. Homemade or store-bought, you can find some great ones to add character and thoughtfulness to your place settings. And yes, you will cut down on waste and money being spent. Paper towels are a big cause of waste and an unnecessary expense. In our home, we use cleaning cloths. These are great for just about every job, are reusable and cost-effective. There are alternatives to plastic wrap and sandwich bags. Beeswax wraps are just as good and even better for your wallet. They come in different prints and sizes, even for sandwiches and snacks, making them a versatile alternative to disposable plastic storage. Using natural kitchen items such as wood or cotton make everything biodegradable. So when something does wear out, it can be disposed of naturally rather than end up in the landfill. Wooden cutting boards, cotton cloths, and wooden brushes are a few examples and also add beauty to your kitchen. Look for more zero waste ideas coming soon.